Hi lovelies, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Okay, so for today's video I'm going to be using the Luster's S-Curl gel. Yes, we are all familiar with the Lusters. Like I just can't stop using this product. It is so great. Okay, so this is the Luster's S-Curl gel, and I'm going to be using that in my client's hair, right? And to follow up, I'm gonna also be using that extreme gel, okay? Okay, guys, so as you can see, I'm just like pretty excited. I was just pretty excited to use both of these gels together just to see, what they really can do. Okay, so I have already washed her hair. Okay, so her hair is nice and cleaned, okay, and ready for this style. Okay, so we're now gonna, first I'm just gonna apply the Luster's S Curl Gel, and then we're going to see how much of a curl definition that gel will bring forth. And then I'm just going to apply that extreme wet line on her hair right after. Okay.
I'm reaching for the open door, but you know what to say to keep me here. Feelings always left unheard. I'm hanging on your words that aren't sincere. Trapped by reality, freed by my imagination. The sky is my remedy, but with you there's always a ceiling. No reason to stay, but every reason to know that if you don't love me, you should let me go. You should let me go. Let me go. Come on and let me go. You should let me go. Let me go. You're only looking at the surface. I know, 'cause you like pretty things. Reaching for the open door, but you know what?
Okay, lovely. So here's where I had to call over my young videographer. Okay, so that's why the footage is a little bit shaky. But I just wanted to show you guys the curls. Like, look at those curls, guys. Like, you can see the definition of her curls coming through. Like, wow, this gel, trust me, guys, you need to get it. And it's only $3.99. Okay?
Every reason to know that if you don't love me, you should let me go. You should let me go. Let me go. Come on and let me go. You should let me go. Let me go. You're only looking at the surface. I know, 'cause you like pretty things. You could never understand me. You've never seen the colors of my wings. You don't know what you want, but you know just what you're doing. Your back is facing front.
Okay, lovelies, I know you're seeing a bit of that gel on her hair, but no worries, okay? Once her hair is dry, all that will be gone, all right?
You should let me go.
Okay, lovelies, if you have reached this far in this video, this is only a friendly reminder reminding you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Yes, guys, please hit that subscribe button if you are not yet a part of the Miss Kimmy K family. Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the family. And also show your girl some love by hitting that like button. Thumbs up this video and also share this channel with your friends and family. And please feel free to drop a comment down below.
She may seem perfect for you, but so am I. I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise.
Okay, lovelies, this wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much once again for tuning in to another one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.
She makes you smile, she makes you laugh, she makes you happy in ways I never have. I try to hate you, find faults or crimes, but your only fault is a